All right, so in this video, you're going to learn how to install LifterLMS on your WordPress website. So all you have to do is install it like any other premium plugin that's not in the WordPress repository. So you just go into the backend of WordPress here, click on Plugins, and then click on Add New at the top here. And we're not going to grab a plugin from the repo. We're actually going to upload our WordPress plugin. So we're going to browse to the file, and it's a zip file, and we're going to want to just put it there and click Install Now. And the plugin has installed successfully. So the next thing we want to do is activate the plugin by clicking this link. And watch closely on the side here. We have a few new items over here. If we refresh the site over here, you'll notice that nothing has changed. But in the back over here, we have two new menu items. One is LifterLMS, and the other is Courses. So each of these menu items have various sub-items that you use, but it's kind of divided into Courses and then LifterLMS itself. And that's how you install and activate the LifterLMS plugin.